In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to get your auction license in Texas. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to properly acquire your auctioneer's license in the state of Texas. To obtain this, you will need to meet a lot of requirements. First, for the eligibility, you must be at least 18 years old and a legal resident of Texas. With these two major requirements out of the way, you will afterwards need to complete a minimum of 80 hours of classroom instruction at a state-approved auctioneer school. All of this information can be found on this website, the Texas Department of Licensing and Regulation. So through a web browser on your computer or your phone, go over to tdlr.texas.gov. And when you arrive at this page, you will be able to find auctioneers. So like I said, all of the information will be laid out for you here. You can browse through all of these, and sadly, I can't cover everything in this video, but I'm still going to go over the general process to give you an idea of how this works. So as you can see, you will have all of the documents needed, all of the forms, the license application, and so on. After you complete the minimum of 80 hours of classroom instruction at a state-approved auctioneer school, you will need to pass the Texas Auctioneer Licensing Exam, which tests your knowledge of state laws, business practices, and ethical standards related to auctioneering. So after this is done, you will need to complete the auctioneer license application and send it to the Texas Department of Licensing and Regulation, TDLR. After this is done, you will need to obtain a surety bond, typically in the amount of $50 to protect clients and customers, and eventually you will be able to complete the whole process. You will be able to find all of these auction schools, and you can browse through various locations here. So I'm going to show you some example of locations, and all of this will be available online. You can choose from any of these as long as they are approved, and as you can see, they have one listed, America's Auction Academy / Texas Auction Academy. You will be able to go over to a physical location, participate in the minimum of 80 hours of classroom instructed sessions, and after this is done, if you pass the exams, you will be able to get it and submit your application to TDLR. I hope I was able to help you on how to get your auction license in Texas. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.